Guys, Jack Plays Mobile Games here, and today I'm going to be opening 25 souvenir Carlson packages. I just opened a collection before, and I actually got another Dragon Lore, but it's Battle Scar. That's just my luck. So I'm trying to get the Dragon Lore again today. Hopefully after deliver it over, I'm going to be mad. Wait, this is what I got today. Yeah. No. Sad. So I'm just gonna keep on opening packages and hopefully I'll just get what I want. I don't mind doing M4 when that's late. That would be good. And a souvenir checklist. No choice. Give me a hand cannon, M4A1S Knight, or a Dragon Lore. That's all I want. Wow. Stack Trek Solid Crosscoat. Oh, never mind. I have to get that on purpose. Literally stop and then keep going. Dragon Lore. All I want. It's not bad, not reward. Actually, please buy you a cookie. And yeah. Ooh, at least I got a hand cannon. Factory new. Oh, well, still 73, but not bad. Not bad. The Dragon Lore is really rare. It's like, sometimes it doesn't even pass by. You're lucky if you can even see it pass by. Sometimes I like seeing it pass by. I'm satisfied with just seeing it pass by. I don't know why. It feels nice. Hand cannon hit. Oh no. Yes, PS Blue. Factory new. So Factory new has been $118. So I'm just gonna keep on opening these packages. Hopefully get something good. So far, really terrible. Hand cannon again. Factory new. Battle Scar. $41. Are you joking? Come on. Give me something good. And by good, I don't mean a Battle Scar. Come on. Do something good. Oh, want this stuff. I've always wanted a P90 Storm. Sweet. Especially when it's battle scarred. Definitely a battle scarred. Another hand cannon. That's much. $390. Yes, please. $390. Two M4A1S Knights in a row. Wow. In case you guys are wondering how much my inventory is worth, it's worth 14K right now. It might not be a lot, but I'm saying. Chainmail. If you guys want anything from my inventory, any of these knives or or pink DD pads or these things, just hit me up with a trade on my NetHub East King 604. Be sure to send me a trade if you want anything from my inventory. But remember, if you want me to send anything, you're gonna have to be able to like match up the price within 70%, or it won't work. It won't let me trade with you. 10 more packages, not including this one. And what will I get? Dragon lore. No. Give me dragon lore. Come on. Everything is junk. Not really what I was hoping for. Hurry up and pack 5. And, what will I get? I'm gonna get Mac 10 Indigo. Oh, I've always wanted that. Dang. Actually field tested. I'll be a field tested. Not factory new. Ooh, not Dragon Lore passed by. Pretty sure souvenir factory new costs like $2,300. It's crazy. I've got 2 of them, but one's battle scarred and the one's minimal, well worn. Yeah, sucks. And an indigo. Yep, an indigo. I don't like you can get stat track and souvenir cases. Pretty sure if you do, it'll just shove it to the side and give you the next thing in line. Pretty sure that's what happens. I don't know why, but I don't know. Ooh, extra life. $34. Don't mind if I do. I think 3 more cases left. I think. Yes, boys. How much? What is it? Factory new. $437. Yeah. Okay, 4 more packages to go. Give me Dragon Lore. Okay. Dragon Lore. Dragon Lore. Oh, this is the best kind of Dragon Lore. I love this kind of Dragon Lore. Sometimes Dragon Lores don't even pass by. I don't know how I got one, but when they don't even pass by half the time, they're more rare than a knife, which I'm not surprised. And they're Dark Age. Great. 2 more packages to go. And I'm gonna get a storm. Okay, guys, you know the deal. Never mind the package. Go on YouTube. You don't need to see that. Yep. And Raven's prior case opening. Listen closely.
Our Father, who orbs in heaven, see us be thy game. Uncase begun, them skins be won, covert and not a mil-spec. Give us this day a stat track knife, and forgive us when we rage quit, as we forgive those who aimbot against us, and lead us not to Scam Nation, and deliver us at battle scarred. Gay Ben.
Amen. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the case opening, and hopefully Gaben has blessed this case And the best kind of Dragon. Well, I'm gonna end this episode here, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe share it to a friend. Comment down below what you want to see next, and peace out. Bye.